Hi everyone, in the previous video lecture we understood what are the binary tree traversals. And we tried to understand with the example the three important traversals: in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. Now we will see the recursive implementation of these traversals. We all know what is a recursive function. Recursive function is a function which calls itself. So here we have the function name is in-order, taking a single parameter, that is a node star pointer. So the binary tree node structure is like this. The node is having three fields. So data field is in between, and this is the left pointer, and this is the pointer to its right child. Okay, so if the node doesn't have any children, so the left pointer and right pointers are pointing to null. Okay, so now this is very simple to understand. So the termination condition of recursive function is, if the root is null, we do nothing. When the root is not null, then only we will be performing these three operations. So we are calling the in-order function recursively. We are calling we all know what is in-order traversal. So visiting left subtree, then the root, then the right subtree. So first we recursively call the left subtree, then we print the root data, then after we recursively traverse the right subtree. Alright, now let us try to understand the pre-order traversals, the similar procedure. Alright, the pre-order traversal is visiting root first, then the left subtree and the right subtree. So when it is not null, so we are visiting the root, then we are recursively traversing the left subtree and recursively traversing the right subtree. So we are done. Now let us try to understand the post-order traversal. So we all know post-order traversal is visiting the left subtree first, then the right subtree, then the root. So the method name is post-order, taking a single parameter root. So when it is not null means not termination condition. So we are recursively traversing the left subtree, then after recursively traversing the right subtree, then we are printing the data of the node. Okay, end of the algorithm. Now let us solve this example applying the algorithms. So first one is in-order traversal. We all know that. So left subtree is visited, then root, then right subtree. The given example has total 7 nodes. One is the root. So for this, so where one is the root, the left subtree is this, right, and the right subtree is this, right, and root is this. Right. Now first visiting the TL. So TL is here, it has no TL. So right. So what we will print is, don't print null. So print the root. Root is 2. Then TR. TR is 4. Then coming back to the root. Root is 1. Now visit the TR. In TR we have 4 nodes. So again this is the main root, and here TL is null. Alright, so nothing to print in TL, print the root, then this is the again TR of root 3. Alright, in this TR, so what we do, root, TL and TR. TL is 6, root is 5, TR is 7. Alright, now we'll see the pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal, root is visited first, then the left subtree and right subtree. So for the given tree, root is 1, you print it, then go to the TL. In TL again the root is 2, you print it, and TL is null, don't do anything, stop there and come to TR. In TR you have 4. Okay, so for the we are done with root and TL. Now we will talk about this TR. Okay, in TR again we have root is 3, you visit it, and come to TL, it is null, nothing to print, and come to TR. In this TR we have 3 nodes, 5 as the root, 6 as TL, and 7 as TR. Okay, visit root 5, TL 6, TR 7. Alright, now we will discuss the post order traversal. Post order traversal visiting order is TL, TR, and R. In TL, what we have? We have 2 and 4. Okay, and in 2 and 4 again TL is null, TR is 4. Okay, TR is 4, root is 2. Then coming to the TR. In TR, what we have to do? Again we have to print TL, nothing to print, and in TR, so we have this. Alright, again in this subtree, TL 6, TR 7, root 5. Now come back after completion of TL and TR. Now it is root is 3. Then after completion of this TL and this TR, now root is 1, print 1. This is how we get the in order, pre-order, post order traversal for this given example. And so as we observed earlier, in pre-order root is at beginning, and in post order root is at the end, and in order root is in between TL and TR. I hope you understood this. Thank you. And after this, take these 3 examples as exercise problems and you solve at your home. Right? This is example 1 as the root, and 2 as its left 3, 4, 5. This is example 2, and this is example 3. Thank you for watching.